Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Rivian is working diligently coordinating creation for its R1T pickup, R1S SUV, and Amazon Conveyance all-electric vehicles which have attempted to support full limit thanks to store network cerebral pains everybody is confronting at present, yet that hasn't prevented the organization from looking toward its subsequent stage. In an investor letter gave for the current week, Rivian has prodded more subtleties of its purported impending R2 inches foundation of new vehicles, which will probably be evaluated and promoted as additional reasonable contributions in the organization setup. As indicated by the letter to investors, which was distributed to the Rivian site and first wrote about via AutoGuide, Rivian has centered its guide to guarantee that the $17 billion of money we had on our accounting report as of March 31, 2022 can uphold the 2025 send-off and incline of our R2 vehicle stage. Rivian says the R2 will be the subsequent stage to extend the brand portfolio around the world across various price tags and structure factors. Yet the letter doesn't carefully describe the situation on what shape the R2 stage could take, just that it will be basic to Rivian's drawn-out progress. Motor Trend recently was educated that the R2 stage will take on a more conservative size and plan for a progression of more modest vehicles, including the 2 trucks and SUVs. We expect the R2 arrangement will have double and tri-engine drivetrain designs, however won't take on the quad-engine arrangement of the bigger, beefier R1 stage that supports the R1T and R1S. It's hazy which stage other supposed vehicles including a normal, sportier Jeep Wrangler contender could get. Rivian claims it's ready to increase creation ability to 150,000 units each year, which stays the organization's first concern pushing ahead. The Normal, Illinois Creation Office has demonstrated it can work at full limit in burst construct exercises, as per Rivian, and is currently apparently just restricted by production network support in the worldwide market. The startup claims it has gotten north of 90,000 pre-orders consolidated for its R1T and R1S pickup and SUV models, on top of Amazon's request for 100,000 conveyance vans. Rivian has not yet reported when the primary new vehicle produced the R2 stage is supposed to send off. However, we're finding out about it toward the following year's end.